Howdy folks, welcome back. Today we have got a Birdies galvanized raised bed to put together. And the reason we're doing this is we've got 50 asparagus crowns coming. They're on the way. So we've got to get this thing together because we're going to make a permanent asparagus bed right over here by our raised bed. And you know, you hear stories of 20 to 25 years life on these things, so I thought we'd spend a little money and do it right and get this together and put this asparagus in there and leave it. And so thought you might be interested. Let's put this thing together. Well, as you can see, they have several configurations that you can go with, and it shows you how to lay it all out and everything. I think we're going to go with that one right there, which is, I believe, the second one right there, number 2. So I believe that's the one we're going to go with. Well, we got her done. After some wrestling and some wrangling, there is 100 screws in that thing. 100 screws. Nuts and bolts that you got to put together. But I want to tell you what, I think that's some quality. It's put together well. It fits perfect. There's no gaps in it. I mean, it is, I think it's top of the line. They're expensive. But we're going to put 50 asparagus crowns in there, and those asparagus crowns, if you take care of them, will last they'll go for 20 to 25 years. So we wanted a spot to where we could leave them and we didn't have to worry about it. And that's why we bit the bullet and bought that. That's a Birdies Raised Garden Bed. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See you next time.